Hi, I'm Carla DeAndre, an independent insurance agent licensed in property casualty, life, and health. Through my fictitious self-image, Ms. Risk, whom you may have met online, I will be giving knowledge and information about insurance to better enable the consumer to buy the right product for their insurance needs. Today, we're going to talk about business insurance. Whether you run a business from your home or whether you run a business from an office site separate from the home, there are different types of insurances you either need to think about buying or will be required by law to buy. Today we're going to talk about premises liability or general liability. If your business is in your home, the odds are your homeowner's policy will not cover business exposure from a home. In fact, it may be specifically excluded. Your homeowner's policy may also not cover any of your business property. You'd have to determine that, but it is something to question. So if you have an office in your home, you can buy a separate business policy run from your home, which would cover both liability if anyone comes to see you at your home and has an incident, or if you get it broader than that, for any general liability you may encounter while on business purpose. So you need to determine if it's premises only, that's called premises liability, or truly general liability, which would incorporate liability at your premises and elsewhere. I strongly suggest you buy the broader general liability option if available. Secondly, you may host a get-together, a marketing event. It may serve alcohol. You need to determine if your business policy has host liquor liability, meaning if there's an incident related to your service of alcohol, even if guests are self-serving, but it's at your premises or sponsored or featured by you, that your liability exposure would be addressed. Those are two issues that are frequently not asked. Host liquor liability is different than liquor liability. If you run a liquor store or if you run a bar or tavern, you need liquor liability. But if you are a business person who may have a marketing event or may take people out to a restaurant where they may have alcohol and you've paid that bill, that's host liquor, it's different. So you want to be clear on that. Next is the property inside. So you have laptops, computer, media, couches, benches, workstations, whatever you have. If it's at home, you need to check whether or not that home-based office would be picked up under homeowners. I doubt that it would be. So then you would need contents coverage, personal property coverage under your business policy. You may also want to check to see if anything happens and you can't operate where you're set up, wherever that may be, that there's a way to cover your costs if you have to, on a temporary basis, set up shop elsewhere. Finally, you want to think about business interruption. If there's a reason your business is interrupted, what would your loss of revenue be? It might be nothing. It might be big. It might be something. And you'd have to determine if you want to transfer that exposure through the insurance policy. This would be called business interruption. I hope you found this helpful. Please follow us on our website, deandreinsurance.com, or on hashtag Ms. Risk or at Ms. Risk on Twitter. We're happy to be of assistance. We hope you found this useful. Thank you.